Welcome back to my channel. Got the rear axle sitting in the back of the chassis, some cardboard and some blocks. And over here, we've got a bunch of training arms, strut arms, and some new rod ends. And I'm collecting up some new hardware. Get all these pieces put together, and then we'll start hooking them up on the rear end and the chassis. Okay, I'm starting to put the links in. We've got the upper third link attached already to the chassis, and for right now I just put it at a height in the middle of the slot here, and we'll fine tune that later. And now we're going to work on the back part. Got these little tapered bushings go in on each side of the bolt, right inside here. Okay, that's on nice and tight. Move on to the next thing. Now the next thing we're going to work on is the driver's side trailing arm. Here it is right here. This goes in here with this bolt and a spacer underneath. A couple drops of blue Loctite. Let that flow around a little bit. Bolt, bushing, rod end, spacer. Okay, got that on there nice and tight. And this end will go up inside this bracket here. We'll get the hardware for that and do that next. Okay, now we'll hook the lower turning arm up to the rear axle. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Now we'll put the panhard rod on. So this end here I'm working on is a sliding bracket. Just allows me to quickly adjust the panhard rod up and down. And I'm going to start with the adjustment at the lowest spot. And over on this side, you can see these threaded spuds. Just bolt it on. Right there, again in its lowest spot. I got 3 fixed spots here, and then that side, like I said, is an adjustable sliding spot. Nice and tight. Now we'll install the coilover shocks. This is a Pro single adjustable aluminum bodied shock. using nylock nuts on all this hardware. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I've got the shocks on. Got the 3 links on. One there. Upper link right there. And the other link on the other side. Right there. Hand-hard rod on the back, right there. So it's all located front to rear, side to side. Now I've got these rear rotors. These are off of I don't know, like a mid-80s, I think, Jeep Cherokee, ventilated. They got the same bolt pattern as the Ford. However, the middle hole is a little big, so I made this spacer. Slide that puppy on there. Slide that on there. We'll run it on with an upside down lug nut. Hold her on for now. Do the same on the other side. Okay, now we're going to put some calipers on. Here's the rear caliper. Got a bolt and a washer. Slide her over the disc. Now the bracket that this bolts into is threaded. So, put a drop of Loctite on here. If I can get in there. Put the other bolt and washer on. Tighten her down. we go. Repeat that on the other side. We got both your calipers on. Okay, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. See you next time.